Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you can head to incomeinvestors.com. You can find the link to the website in the description below. We don't exactly know when, but we do know that interest rates are going to start coming down. How quickly is the big question. Most analysts now believe the Federal Reserve will leave rates higher for longer, meaning rate cuts are not going to be as aggressive as initially thought. And this is not a big surprise since the US economy is doing so well, and lowering rates faster than necessary could reignite inflation. The fact of the matter is, even after unprecedented 11 interest rate hikes, the economy remains resilient. If anything, the aggressive rate hike has proven that the US economy is strong and may be able to handle higher borrowing costs. Because of this, it's still a great time to look at companies that benefit from higher interest rate environment and continue to pay big distributions, including alternative banks or business development companies, or BDCs for short, like Trinity Capital Inc., traded on NASDAQ under symbol TRIN. John?
Yeah, thanks, Mo. Yeah, Trinity Capital is a business development company, or what we call here incomeinvestors.com, an alternative bank. It provides term loans and equipment financing to growth stage companies. Now, growth stage companies defined as having active equity sponsors, earnings annual revenues of up to $100 million, and being past its risky early development stage. Trinity Capital has a successful track record of serving a multi-billion-dollar underserved niche market. Since its inception in January 2008, the company's made 317 investments and 185 exits. Its debt portfolio is made up of 76.8% of first lien loans, and pretty big 69% of its debt is based on floating rates. Trinity Capital's partner portfolio consists of companies that operate in sectors including everything from chemicals and fuels to commercial services, retail, energy, healthcare, Internet of Things, and semiconductors. Over the years, Trinity Capital has backed some of the world's biggest, most innovative companies. It was actually an early investor in Lucid Group and Matterport, and its current portfolio includes Grub Market, Composite Foods, which most people heard of, and Axiom Space.
John, I was reading that it reported record fourth quarter and 2023 net income.
Yeah, strong results pretty much across the board. For the fourth quarter ended December 31st, 2023, Trinity Capital announced that total investment income jumped more than 15% year over year to a record $47.8 million. Meanwhile, record net investment income grew almost 16% to $25.1 million, or 59 cents per share. Trinity also reported record total gross investment commitments of $340.7 million and record total gross investments funded of $267.4 million. And now for the full year, total investment income increased 25% to a record $181.9 million, while net investment income increased 25.6% to a record $89.9 million, or $2.31 per share. Total gross investments funded inched up 1.7%, but it was still a record $641.8 million.
All of this helped Trinity increase its base dividends for 13 straight quarters.
Yeah, Trinity's strong performance has allowed it to increase its regular dividend for 13, as you said, straight quarters, resulting in a distribution of $2.04 per share to shareholders this past year, 2023. As for 2024, on March 14, the company's board declared a cash dividend of 51 cents per share, or $2.04 on an annual basis, for a big yield of 13.55%. Now, it's also not uncommon for Trinity Capital to declare a supplemental cash dividend too. Back on September 13th, it announced a third quarter cash dividend of 54 cents per share. Now, this included a regular dividend of 49 cents and a supplemental cash dividend of 5 cents per share. This is up from a second quarter 2023 payout of 50 cents per share, which was made up of a base dividend of 48 cents and a special dividend of 5 cents per share.
How is Trinity stock doing? Is the dividend yield because the stock is down, or what's happening here?
Well, yeah, that would be like, I think most people would think that. Now, typically a nosebleed dividend yield of 13.55% would be attached to a stock that has fallen in share price. Share prices, as you know, and yield are inversely related. So as the share price goes up, the yield decreases, and vice versa. Fortunately, this is not the case at all with Trinity Capital. On December 19th, 2023, Trinity Capital hit a record intraday high of $15.44 per share. Now, Trinity stock gave up some of that ground in the opening weeks of January, but it's been climbing steadily since then. And since the start of February, actually, Trinity stock has rallied almost 9%. And over the same time period, the S&P 500 has climbed 8%. And currently, as of this recording, it's trading at around $14.50 per share. which has put Trinity Capital within striking distance of its December 2023 record high of $15 again and 44 cents. Now, Wall Street is pretty confident it will hit fresh highs over the coming quarters, with analysts providing a median 12-month share price forecast of $15.50 per share and a high target of $16.50 per share.
John, thank you so much for your insights. Trinity Capital Inc. is a BDC that had a tremendous 2023, marked by record fundings and investment income, along with ongoing growth in portfolio. It expects its off-balance sheet growth strategies to continue to ramp, contributing to additional growth in 2024. Again, it's a strong financial performance that's allowed it to increase its dividend for 13 consecutive quarters. The strong results are also why TRIN stock has been able to climb back up to record levels, with Wall Street looking at this BDC to hit new record over the coming quarters. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special reports on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. In the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.